One of the most powerful features of Parametric Studio CNC is the ability to create interesting designs using the import relief feature. Start by choosing your artwork size, slat count, slat width, slat depth, and relief depth in the Design tab. Go to the Image Relief tab and import a true grayscale depth map. Lighter areas will raise the slats, while darker areas will stay lower. Use the Image Relief controls to adjust the imported depth map. You can change contrast, smoothness, falloff, inversion, and relief depth until the preview looks right. Use falloff to soften or flatten the outside edge of the imported image, so the relief blends more naturally into the surrounding slats. Return to the Design tab to continue adjusting the overall artwork size, slat depth, spacing, material settings, and preview angle. Check the Fabrication and Export tab to confirm the slats fit your selected sheet size and that support pockets or tabs are set correctly. When the layout looks good, export the SVG, DXF, or 3D STL file and bring it into your CAM or CAD software for final toolpath setup. That's it. Now you are ready to set up your toolpaths in your CAD software and start the CNC cutting process to create your own unique parametric wall art. Visit parametricstudio.net today to get started for free.